children.
Hello, curious explorers in the town of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is like a hungry student. It needs a huge amount of information to learn and become smarter. But where can we get all this information in an honest and fair way? How can we make sure that the data we give to machines is collected with respect for those who created it? I invited everyone to discover what ethical data collection means. On the Neuron Bridge, I met RoboSquirrel and Drone Crow. RoboSquirrel was sure that it was enough to find any data and just take it. She shared that she had borrowed all the books about nuts from the library to teach her robot to recognize them, without asking anyone for permission. Drone Crow, on the other hand, thought that data could be collected by trickery. He said his weather system secretly listened to bird conversations to find out if they planned to fly away because of rain. I explained to them that taking data without permission or collecting it secretly is not ethical. Honest data collection is based on consent, transparency, and respect for privacy. In the algorithm maze, I met Cyber Hedgehog and Hyper Elephant. Cyber Hedgehog shared that when he taught his robot to recognize fruits, he only used a public photo gallery where the creators had agreed to let others use their work. Hyper Elephant added that when he created a system to translate animal speech, he asked all the residents to record samples of their voices. Everyone who agreed knew exactly how their voice would be used, and the data was made anonymous to protect their privacy. I agreed with them that these are great examples of ethical behavior, collecting data openly, with permission, and respecting the rights of creators. In the Signal Hut, I met Drone Parrot and Laser Peacock. I decided to check their knowledge and asked what they knew about ethical data collection. Drone Parrot explained that it is important to get clear permission from people whose data is being collected. This means they must know what data is being gathered and why it will be used. Laser Peacock added that it is also important to use data from open and legal sources and to respect copyrights. He said that no one should use someone else's work for training artificial intelligence without permission. I praised them for their knowledge and summed up that ethical data collection is based on the rules of consent, transparency, and legality. Dear researchers, today we learned how important it is to collect data for artificial intelligence in an honest and responsible way. We understood that data is food for machines, and we must make sure it comes from a good and legal source. Only then can we build technology that is not only smart, but also trustworthy. Remember, respecting data means respecting its creators. See you next time for more discoveries in the town of artificial intelligence.